How to make everyone can see your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find this settings icon and here you will find this one, profile information, and then go down until you find here your birthday. Click this pen icon and go down. Here you will find your languages. Click this icon here and click public. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.